this baby. I had faith, and you gave new life. In this moment now I pray, and I vow to you this day, I dedicate this baby back to
Precious daughter.
you.
ആ precious എന്ന വാക്കിന് ഒരുപാട് അർത്ഥങ്ങളുണ്ട്.
I
Ethan Philip Isaac.
dedicate my
There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
I will put your word into their heart. I dedicate this baby back to you. You have granted such a trust